Hey brother, for the encoder, you see, here is the encoder. Here, you see inside, it's the encoder here. But when the machine running, there is the value of the encoder. If you want to clamp the blister, there is the value. So you stop the machine. Here you stop the machine, and you see here is one value. So you set this value to here, and if you want to open, then you see the machine open, then you set the value to here. So this is the encoder setting. But if your encoder broken, inside from here, if your encoder is broken, you have to buy the totally same encoder, because different encoder, different plus and different data. So better you buy the encoder from the factory. Do not buy outside. This is for the encoders in shoes. Okay. Hey brother, there is another issue. You must check your machine. You have this limiter switch or not, because this limiter switch is after the machine finish one process, the encoder will be clean the zero, so the data will become here. But if your machine is not installed this limited switch, so the data will be missing. So you have to understand for these issues. Make sure there is limited switch.